Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy English with Rafi. If you are a beginner in English speaking, if you understand English but you cannot speak, if you feel shy, if you feel nervous, and if you are scared, then today this video is only for you. And today I will show you how to start speaking English as a beginner, step by step, with a very easy and effective methods. So don't waste any further time. Let's start the main video. Many beginners tell me, Rafi, I know English words, I know English grammar rules, but when I try to speak, my mind goes blank completely. My mouth doesn't open. Maybe you are thinking, what if I will make mistake? What if people will laugh on my mistake? Or else you are thinking, my English is not good enough. Let me tell you one thing. Mistakes are normal. Fear is the real problem though. Today, I will help you how to break this kind of fear. So let's talk about the step one. And this step one is very, very important. So keep these things always in your mind. Never forget this. The first thing that you should do, stop thinking in your native language. Yes, you heard me right. When you are thinking something in your mind to speak, maybe as of now, you think in your native language. So stop doing this. Don't think in your native language when you are trying to speak in English. And the second point is, that is, you should start speaking with small and simple sentences when you start your journey as a beginner. You don't need big words and big sentences. 2 or 3 simple English words is pretty enough. So for example, don't think, how can I say sentences correctly in English? Think like this: I tired, I hunger, I go home. Yes, you heard me right. Maybe all these are grammatically incorrect. That's true. I'm not saying these are correct sentence, but these are few English words. And when you are speaking all these English words, so you are just kind of used to use the English words daily. You will get familiar with this language. And at first, we don't need perfect grammar. We need fluency. And grammar will come later on automatically. So at first, we need to get some, fluency. We need to use English words more and more in our daily life. So that's why I'm saying, don't think perfect grammar in the beginning. Just start speaking, just get the fluency, just get this, compatibility with the English. Make yourself familiar with this language. Use more English words daily. Just do remember, if a baby starts speaking without learning grammar, then why you and I can't speak? Yes? So think it and start taking those action. And the step number 2, you have to think a little bit more deeply, that at first we need some basic and simple English sentences which we can practice every day. That's right. So now I'm going to use some basic and daily English sentences. Just repeat after me. The first one, I want to learn English. Repeat. I want to learn English. The second one, I am learning English. Repeat. I am learning English. The third one, I don't understand. Repeat. Yes, repeat yourself. I don't understand. And the fourth one, please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. And the fifth one, can you help me? Yes, can you help me? Very good. Speak like this. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and do not hurry. Even if you try only one sentence per day, you still improving. Yes, you heard me right. And now we are moving to the step 3, which is also very important to understand. I have heard many beginners say, Rafi, I don't have anyone for speaking. I don't have anyone for practicing with. I don't have any friends or anyone with whom I can practice. But for those people, you can go with this 2 process. Now I am going to explain those 2 process, what exactly you can do. You can practice alone in front of a mirror. Yes, you heard me right. Just, like stand in front of a mirror, and you can, like, speaking with yourself, just looking at the mirror, and start saying some English words. That I want to learn English. Please, I will do every possible things to improve my English. Just speak like this. Talk to yourself. Look at yourself, how you are looking when you are, saying those English words. Observe your body posture. Observe your body language, and this will definitely gonna help you to understand how exactly you sounds how exactly you looks when you are saying something in English. This really does work a lot. This will definitely gonna help you much faster to gain this confidence to start speaking in English. And the second thing you can do, you can talk to yourself. Yes, you can talk to yourself. When you are doing something, then say it in English. Like in every day, you are doing a lot of things, right? So when you are alone, just start repeating in your mind that what exactly the thing you are doing at that particular time. Just say that thing in English. That I am eating food, I am reading books, I am writing something, I am watching Instagram or Facebook Reels. Be it anything that you are doing at that particular time, just say it in English, and this will definitely work very fast to grab this kind of confidence to start English speaking. And maybe you are right. Initially, it looks funny, but these methods really does works very fast. Try and then let me know. And do remember one thing, bad English is better than no English. Yes, bad English is better than no English. And speaking English is more important than grammar. That's true. Speaking in English is more important than grammar. So don't be afraid, don't feel shy, don't feel, like scared. Just start speaking. If you make mistakes, it means you are learning. You started your journey. Beginners are making mistakes. That's pretty obvious. It's a very common thing. So don't feel that you are out of the race. Everyone does make mistakes when they are beginner. So now I want you to comment down below that I am going to start speaking today onwards. Yes, and please, if you like this video, then do subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video, share this video with your friends and loved ones. And please don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel, Easy English with Rafi. So this is all for today, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, peace out, be happy, stay healthy, and don't forget to practice your speaking English. So, Jai Hind. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.